Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you guys, I will be showing you a quick, easy and simple way to do your chicken wings. So for this, you'll just need a couple of ingredients. So I have my extra virgin olive oil here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of coat my chicken wings with the olive oil. Next, I'm gonna be using my seasoning powder mix, just a couple of spoons. So I'll probably use 2 tablespoons of the mixed seasoning powder. Okay, and there's a video on my channel showing you how I do this mixed seasoning powder. And also some green seasoning marinade. Okay, and this is what the green seasoning marinade looks like, and there is also a video on my channel showing you how I do my green seasoning as well. So I'll be doing 2 tablespoons of the green seasoning as well. So get your hand in, mix everything in nicely together. And this is all you need to do your chicken wings. So quick, easy and simple. And then I'm just gonna let this rest for a half an hour. Then I'll come back to you and show you the next step. Yes guys, so the next step is to get your trusted air fryer. Here I have my Tefal air fryer. So I'm just gonna add my chicken wings to this. So my chicken wings has been sitting for a half an hour. So I'm just gonna add it to the air fryer. Guys, so I'm gonna cook it on each side for about 10 to 12 minutes, and once it's done, I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it's looking like. So I have my Tefal air fryer on 180 degrees. So guys, it has been 12 minutes since the air fryer has been going, so I'm just gonna flip it over to the other side. So far, this is what it's looking like. So now I'm just gonna put it back on the other side for 12 more minutes. Then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it's looking like. If it needs more time, then we'll add more time, okay? Yes guys, so this is after 12 minutes on the other side. This is what my wings are looking like. As you can see, it's nicely done. It's looking really good. So I'm just gonna flip it over. Some of the big ones, I will want them to go for another 5 minutes. Okay, so then it's cooked through thoroughly. So guys, my chicken wings are now ready, and this is what it's looking like. So I'm just gonna take them out, put them into a plate, show you guys and bring you guys in for a close-up just to show you what they're looking like. Yes guys, so this is what my air fried chicken wings are looking like, and I'm just gonna garnish it here with a little green onion and some parsley. And it tastes wonderful. Okay, so if you have stayed with me till the end, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.